Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and it is time for another tool of the day. If you're looking for something to carry to those potlucks, or you're looking to go to the family and you've got your pastries, or you've got your pies, or you've got your pizza and you've got something that you need to put into a container but don't have anything to carry it in, I want to show you these items that I just got in. They come in as a set of two, so you get two of these, and they're 12 inches wide or across, and I'll give that exact measurements here in just a second. And it does come with the handles on the top that come up like that so you can carry it. I did have this one open, but it does seal down so that you can carry it that way. I can show you on this one how that does. So that one is sealed like that so you can carry it. Makes it really nice to have to balance it that way. Nice lid on that on the outside of it, and it has a tray on the inside, and the depth of that is really nice, and you can put your pies or pastries or anything you got in there. It will accommodate up to two 12-inch pizzas. You can put one on the bottom, and then you've got this liner that goes here and it fits on a little lip there, and you can put another one on top, and then you can put your lid on the top and secure it down. So I'll put my pecan pie, I got it here, and I'll show you what that looks like once it gets put in there. And I'll take out this liner and I'm going to put my pie in. This is a 9-inch regular depth pie, and you can see how nice that fits in there like that. Put the lid on it and secure it down, and you've got a nice way to keep this in the refrigerator. You've got a nice way to carry this to wherever you need to go with it. It makes a nice gift if you're looking for something for somebody that needs for something in the kitchen and they've got everything. Maybe you might want to consider this, and I'll get you some measurements on that now. We can see what we've got. So like it said, when I ordered it, it says it was 12 inches across, and that's exactly what it is, and that is 31 centimeters on that. And the depth of this one is 2 3/4, so that is pretty good on that. And the centimeters on that is right at 7. And with the lid on it, it's not going to add any more to it because it does click down on the top of it, which makes that really nice. And then I'll measure this tray on the inside so you can kind of get an idea of what that is. It should be the same as the outside. It's just a little bit smaller. It's 11 inches on that, or right at 28.5 centimeters. So if you're looking for something and you need something to carry those desserts in for those upcoming holidays, or just to store it in your refrigerator when you make them to keep them airtight, might want to check this out. I'll put the link in the description box below. I'm not sponsored by this company to represent this. I did pay for this with my own money. I just thought I would share something that I've got to be able to keep pies and things in the refrigerator and keep that cold air off of them to keep them fresher for longer. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And check out some of these other videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.